Well, the time has come again. Time to deliver some value, baby. Let's go. You know what's fun about when I speak is that I never question whether I'm going to be able to bring value, because I know I'm teaching a model that no one else teaches. And when you know that you're teaching a model that no one else teaches, and when you know your model is a solution to a problem, it gets me really excited, because I know I'm going to be able to serve in a dramatic way whoever is willing to listen. So we're going to rock it. I think, I don't know, there's 500-600 people registered for this, and it'll be fun. So it's been a real blessing to take the best, what I call the best kept secret in trade in real estate, which actually we have trademarked, and I'm trying to make it not the best kept secret. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Well, guys, let me tell you a little bit about Cody. Eyes on the screen here. He's a father, he's a husband, an entrepreneur, he's a mentor, and a purpose, impact, and fulfillment is what PIF stands for. It's to create and make positive impacts in the lives through real estate, off-market land development deals. And so, Cody, thank you for being on tonight. Cody, I want to ask, is it okay tonight if I drive a lot of the conversation, but then tap into your expertise to do some training and talk about the money people are making and some of that? Is that okay?
Absolutely, and this isn't scripted at all, so I don't know when you're going to tap in.
We've never done this before.
It'll be raw. It'll be raw and real, brother. I promise you that. So we're basically taking the land, and it might already be zoned for development. We might rezone it for development, but we're taking it through that governmental jurisdictional approval process called entitlements, where we're getting that land now approved for development. We're not actually developing it. We're getting it approved for development.
So what we're going to do now is we're going to talk about how realistic is it? Because, dude, let's get skeptical for a moment. Come on, someone making $1 million on a single deal? Like, doesn't that sound too good to be true? Well, you're probably about to get exposed to a style of real estate you haven't heard of before. You got Mike right there. He says, one deal with Cody's model equated to more than previous 20 years in the game of real estate. Craig and Mary on the bottom. There's a lot of hype online for real estate training, but Cody is different. Guys, I'm going to tell you something right now. Reality, guys, is Cody's the one doing it. He lives it. He breathes it. It's made him rich. He's super wealthy. He's a God-fearing man. I love who he is as a soul, but he's helped a ton of people. Eyes on the screen, you can see a few more of these. Ian says, Cody's model is unique. You can make outsized profits that just aren't possible with traditional real estate. And Eric says, if you're looking for something to fulfill your life and to bring you purpose and money, Cody's model is the way to go. So first and foremost, please just put your eyes on this. Guys, Cody makes his money not teaching. He makes his money doing deals